difficulty in socialization, difficulty in remembering, ganyan-ganyan. So, communicating. So, our role is on the difficulty na talaga. So, sasabihan namin ang bata at parent na may difficulty ang estudyante o ang bata ng difficulty in remembering. Pwede ba natin siyang sinabi sa ating libraries? So, meron talagang parent na ayaw. Kahit difficulty lang yan, ha? Difficulty lang.
Thank you.
Can you give us tips ba? On how are we going to tell and to appeal to the parents in such a way na ano bang term na welcoming din ba? Paano for sure meron kang mga ano dyan, no? Ang amin naman, ano kaya yung mga pwede mong ibigay sa amin na tips? Paano ba namin dito i-introduce sa parents? Yung mga na-identify na namin na ganito ang difficulty ng isang parents. Based po sa iyong mga experience.
So, based on my experience,
Ari ang assistant principal nila.
pagka-once na
Siya ang asawa sa principal, si Pastor Jonathan.
Itong bata ito is ready for mainstreaming. Itong bata ito is ready for inclusion.
Siya ang regaluhan.
It's the DepEd talagang mag-decide. That's why we have this collaboration na ma'am. So, ito, pag-re-evaluation na siya,
sige lang, mag-aaway
sila. Okay, the DepEd will advise her. Okay, he is ready for a mainstreaming. Ang mainstreaming is actually 15:1. Sa 15 na population, siya lang mag-isa. Unfortunately, with the proliferation of ASD ngayon or any disorders, hindi na po nasusunod itong mainstreaming na 15:1.
Wala na kami
Yes, ang nangyayari po ngayon, sir, it's not the DepEd who is deciding, but the parents themselves. And that's our difficulties. Me as an occupational therapist, kasi for example, sasabihin ng parents sa akin na, ma'am, dapat graded siya, graded. Nare-remember niyo po yan? Ma'am, dapat graded kasi dapat ganito.
Ay, may mga parents na parang kamatiyan din sa parents na gusto nyo i-graded din ang anak.
Exactly, sir. So, ang sinasabi ko sa parents talaga, which are actually helpful. Sabi ko, okay, ma'am, is your child ready for a particular education na magiging graded siya? Now, if he is ready, okay, who is answering his examination? Is it he himself or the teacher? Who is doing his assignment? Is it he himself or you as a parent? Now, kung you or the teachers are the ones who are doing this, then I don't think so that your child is ready for a graded curriculum. Di po ba? Sir? So, ngayon po, sa mga parents, yan po yung talaga sinasabi ko, ma'am, you have to assess your child. Kung kaya mo ba niya magiging graded, then that's fine. But if not, it will just only cause him frustrations and embarrassment. So yun. May mga ibang kids, may mga parents naman po na nakikinig, teacher, pwede ko na ba siya i-graded? Kung sa palagay po ba, kaya na po niya. Dito po sa clinic, kaya po niya mag-still for more than 1 hour. Sa school po, kaya na po niya mag-still for 2 hours. But if not, then again, I think he is not yet ready.
Meron kaming mga instances na